There we go. All right, let's see what we got. Yeah, editor, no studio mode. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, rocking and rolling, live streaming. Now we gotta add a video overlay. Let's get my chat box up. Hello. That worked. Nope. Chat box, chat box. What we got here? Look at this. Chat box. Login. Proceed. Chat. Oh, look at that. Rocking and rolling. We got the chat rocking. How about it? We're doing big things. Let's move this webcam up a little bit. What we got here? It's behind here. Vertical overlay. We don't need you. I need you. Chat box, chat text. It's working. Boom. Yep, sure is. Chat, what is up? That's what they're saying chat about. All right, cool. Look at us doing big things. Live stream game. Where the fuck? All right. Look at that. Just looking good, bud. All right. Now that we got that rolling, let's get a window capture in here so I can show you what we got going on. I'm going to add that. It's huge. Yikes. Not that big. Command Z. Window capture. Boom. All right, window capture. You gotta go down. Okay. We are going to drop this down a little bit. Oh, look at that fancy action we got going on there. Is that how we do it? Is that what we do? That's what we do, huh? Duh. A window to my world. Set it up right, bud. What am I minimizing right now? The wrong thing? Yep. All right. Cool. All right. Let's get you right. A window into my technology world. This is actually pretty cool. People don't figure out live streaming as far as the business goes, you are going to get a lot, son. Period. Look at that. Webcam. Get up over here. Let's go hang out in the moon. I'm on the moon. We landed on the moon. Great movie. All right. Chat, you there? Chat. Yes, you are. Look at that. All right. Well, I guess I can put you on this screen. Yup. You go on that screen. And that means I can operate on this screen. This is how we do it. How about them apples? How are we looking on this one? Boom. All right. Let's get it rocking and rolling. Streaming on Twitch. Oh. All right. Check, check. Test widgets. Test. Chat working. Boom. Look at that. Live streaming on Twitch. We got it set up. And what we're doing here tonight is we're going to set up some social medias for BizRise.io, and then I'll show you BizRise. And then really what I'm going to talk about tonight is there's probably a lot of small businesses out there that have websites that are not using them. It's just a landing page to where, you know, it's kind of something they're required to do to start a business. You need a website. Well, you got to understand these websites have a lot. They have a lot of capability now. They have a lot that you can do with them. So if you're going to make content for your business, if you're going to try and optimize it, use your website. I'll show you how to do it. And we're going to turn this full circle. So I have a web app called BizRise.io, and we're also going to use this content to train our AI about the business. So it's going to be full circle. We're just going to start doing them live. We'll see how far we get. It's a little late tonight, but we're going to set up a Facebook page, set up some socials for BizRise, and then get to getting on the website and the web app. So first thing, Facebook. Come over, be my friend, Jack Amade. There you go. Pages. Let's create a new page. All right. So we're gonna call it BizRise.io. Tech. Science and tech. Bio. BizRise is an AI-powered growth. AI-powered business growth platform developed to drive growth and typing's going well right now. Growth. I'm good at typing. Growth by organizing and optimizing digital presence and sales outreach. Cool. Create page. So we're going to get our Facebook page rolling. Now, what does that mean? Well, you know, we might as well just show you BizRise while we're at it. BizRise.io. And BizRise.io is a web app I developed to organize and optimize really for small businesses. There's a lot going on as a small business. You have a lot to do. So what can we do to help that? Let's go ahead and log in here. Jack@amade.io. Put your password in. Confirm. Go. Get out of here. All right, so let's check out BizRise.io. Here is the web app that I've been developing, and let's just go to the dashboard and start out there. So we're gonna go to marketing, right? So I'm creating these social media pages, and I want to make some marketing about my product because I want to get it out there. I want to promote it. So I have some marketing tasks here. It's developed some video scripts, title, description, and how those get developed. So I have step one. I have these two scripts created here, but when I click generate this post, I will pick campaign step, assign it to somebody on your team, and we're going to schedule that for tomorrow, generate script. Now, what that is going to do is that's going to create a social media script based on your business, value prop of your product or service, and customer's industry. So whatever data you're putting into the web app, the AI is going to be able to take and run with based on your company. Now, live streaming to Twitch and trying to pull AI APIs. takes a little bit of time. But now we have script 3 generated. All you got to do, copy, paste this, use it as the script, put it on a teleprompter or whatever you need, and light it up. All right, that's all you do. Then you're going to take that title, post it to YouTube. Description's going to YouTube. Keywords, hashtags, and we can go to our blog as well. Now, you're going to see in a lot of these videos it says go to YouTube. There's a reason. YouTube videos are going to be very widely used in a couple things. It's going to be used in the web app, so you can post your YouTube videos there for your business. Hey, what do we do? How do we do it? Always show that informational content to your users. Be an expert in your business. And then the other thing about the YouTube videos, which is pretty interesting, is when you develop these little, I'll show you right here. Hello, this is a Vertex AI conversation agent. I've trained it to be somewhat an expert in small business, but these things can actually have YouTube videos embedded in their path. You just have to figure out, the intent and really what the customer is saying, and you can put a YouTube video in there, which we'll do live as well. Can you assist me with starting a business? Sure can. And this one I have trained on the Small Business Handbook for Colorado and some other various sources. I will open up the data store to make it public. I think it's private right now just to make sure everything's working. But there is a lot of cool information in there. And it is a learning AI that's going to be taking data from our front end and our back end. And let's get into BizRise a little more too. So on the prospector, this is what I've developed for essentially prospecting and sales. Using CRMs in the past, I felt a lot of the CRMs were heavy weighted, they were bulky, they didn't move around fast enough. And when you're prospecting, you don't necessarily need to put in 500 things about a lead out of the gate. What you need to do is get 500 leads. So what I developed, I'll show you right here. Put my buddy's name in, but create a prospect. You just type in their name, phone, email, cody@gmail.com, and schedule the first day. So let's say tomorrow. Hit create prospect. What that's going to do is just going to pump up his name and his schedule. So on the LinkedIn part, this is day 1. Hey, send him a LinkedIn request. Put in his LinkedIn URL. If you send it, hit boom. Yes. All right, cool. Now Cody's going to be moved to day 2. Now you can either do this day 1, you can do it day 2. It's just a placeholder to keep things moving. But it's going to incorporate some social media stuff. That way you're not just doing the, hey, cold call people. I don't think anybody answers cold calls anymore. It's time to do it a little differently. Incorporate some tech. All right, so follow them on socials, comment on their stuff. This one's cool too. So on day 3, the email generator, what we're going to do is Riley's Roofing is a company in Colorado. He's my good buddy. Great roofing company, commercial, residential. But they are, let's see, commercial and residential roofing. So I've got it dialed into where the information from my company is going to go to Gemini. I'm going to get some information about Riley's Roofing and spit out a quick email. Let's see what it says. All right. Derek came across Riley's Roofing, researching roofing companies. So still a little AI cheesy, but you can take it and run with it. Come up here, edit it, do whatever you need to, save it, and then we'll come down here, send email. That should open your native email app. Does it on the phone better, but don't have it set on my computer. That's all right. Oh, Microsoft Edge is opening. What is that doing? Oh, I don't want to choose my default. But it will open your default email account, so whatever that is, make sure that default email is set, and it'll keep you on the prospecting path. Give you a phone call for that afternoon. So you've already basically touched them 3 times, or they've been around you 3 times. Social media interactions, and then the email informational. Don't be too cheesy, just take it and go. It's just meant as a structure to help you get going. And let's go over to the sales side. This one's cool too. So obviously it's your standard CRM. You can create new leads, create new opportunities. On your leads in here, when you come in, it's going to generate a sales assist. So same way, you fill in the customer's name, a little bit of information, and it's going to give you a sales approach. So let's talk. Secure new business by making ProTech a client. Value prop, save time and money. Contact info, contact times. Gary's open all the time. Gives you some background. Streamline business processes. It's very true. Enhanced digital presence. Yup. I mean, all those are true. This one's cool too. It gives you some objections handlers. So I don't have the budget for this. Emphasize the long-term cost savings. So BizRise really is designed to be lightweight, fast-moving, everything you need to operate. Let's be mobile, let's be efficient, and let's use AI to do what we need to do. AI is not meant to go out and just chase people to bring them to you. Go out and push people to your AI. You're going to learn a lot more. And I will show you why. Now we can go in here as well, and I'm going to get a screenshot of the Twitch live stream, and we'll post it to bizraz.io. Where's my screenshot window? Where are you? Okay, I'm going to bring that Twitch stream back to this screen real quick. I'll get a different screenshot. But we're going to post a screenshot of our live stream to the web app while we're live streaming the web app. That makes sense, right? That all made sense. You knew what I'm saying. Capture. All right, so we got our screenshot. I think, if I'm not mistaken, you guys can still see the BizRise screen. Yup, this is awesome. All right, here we go. Create a post. We come down here. Can you see that button? Yeah, you can. Okay, create a post. Let's upload that picture. Desktop, where are you? Is this our live stream? I think it is. Yep. Select location. We are going to put Castle Rock, Colorado. Best town, city in the country. Welcome to BizRise Live. BizRise.io Live. Join us live daily as we create tech and social media tips, tricks, videos, and demonstrate BizRise.io. Current deal. Twitch messages get 25% off first month membership. Okay, create that post. Let's see what we got. So we're gonna go to the home page, check it out. We got BizRaz, we got MJ Consulting. Look at that, BizRaz. During our live stream, we're making our post about our web app platform that we're promoting on our live stream. Fantastic. Over here, I gotta move this out of here. Look at that, kind of floating in the middle. But cool little deal here. You just hit around me, boom. It'll give you stuff around you. And we got our Vertex AI conversation. What else we got in here? Obviously, we got the tasks, the to-do, standard, gotta have it, staple. Call Tom. Call Tom, and ask about ops. Mañana. Early in the morning. Tom's not a morning guy, but he's my good buddy, so we'll call him in the morning. Create task, all right? Standard stuff, gotta have it quick and dirty. Create those tasks. Job manager, check this puppy out. So you can come in here and create jobs, manage your jobs. Create tasks, assign them to people on your team. So there's going to be that usability coming in there. And we'll just run it from the top. But on bizrise.io, when you come in here, create a job, stream live tomorrow. Post to all socials and demonstrate flow of live videos to AI. Okay. Get those DO tags out rolling. Castle Rock. Let's go. Let's go tomorrow. Great job. All right. Stream live tomorrow. It's at a job step number 1. Share stream link, or else people don't know. Post it everywhere. Stream every. Ooh, that's good typing. Stream everywhere, baby. Tomorrow, 8. Look at that green. Doesn't that green look good? Looks like the Hulk. Create job. All right. Boom. Job's in there. We see the steps. We need to add a task. Make sure this stream worked. Share video of setup and deployment. All right, job step. Share the link. Jago, make sure it's good. Create task. So I have my task for tomorrow. Life is good. Products and services. You can go in and add your products. You can add your services to show people what you got. Bada bing, bada boom. This thing's loaded up. You can also follow and unfollow people on the BizRise app. Or you can create some friends and get a little thing going. Get a little group going, and it's designed to be able to teach you how to do business. It's designed to grow with you, and if you want to customize it for your own business, what's really powerful about this is a lot of people have been trying to figure out how to take the data they get from their business, collect it efficiently, and then be able to study it with AI to make those real-time, maybe future predictions, trying to do that prediction. And what it is, you can take the data from your web app. You can transfer that essentially what is called, the data lives in Firebase. It's going to go to BigQuery. You take that data from BigQuery. You can run models on it in Vertex AI and check it out, Looker Studio. You can do that all from a web app. Now to promote it, like for example, my chat agent here doesn't know anything about BizRise yet. So what is BizRise.io? Doesn't know anything yet, or at least shouldn't. Okay, that's fun. Okay, so what's interesting about that? I'm glad we did that live. 11:33. I have not directly trained my AI on anything on BizRise. But the AI is living in the BizRise web app. So that's cool. I'm gonna have to figure out how that happened. That's cool. That is really cool. I'm so glad that was live. Like that. You are the BizRise virtual assistant. Okay. You know that. All right. But anyway, getting back into it. And what I'm going to do, because a lot of people complain, hey, what's your AI trained on? What do we, everybody's really scared of it. It's like, oh, it's got to be trained. It's like, yeah, that's the point. Like Google, you just got to point Google in the right direction. You got your own AI. So it's like, yeah, go train it. Go put stuff into AI so you can figure it out. You have the power of Google. Go use it. But what I'm going to do there is I'm going to put all that information behind this AI. So that way anybody that has questions, you want to know what the AI is trained on? Poof, there it is, bud. Go check it out. The sales, let's see. Come back in here. Let's go to, okay, sales tax. Let's create an opportunity to show you that because that's important too. So you can come into your lead list. You want to create an opportunity. Professional IT managed services, and Protex rocking that, but I'm gonna sell managed services back to the managed services guy. See what he says. Create that opportunity. Let's see if I got that rolling. Go back to our dashboard and see what we got there. Sales dashboard. Did that not work? So I gotta fix that opportunity button. Did that not work? Did I have my format wrong? Let's see. Professional IT managed services. See if I just type it in as no comma. That might be a problem though, because people are going to type in numbers. Okay, so yeah, it creates the opportunity here so you can keep track of them. Total opportunities. It'll create lead list, activity. So let's log some activity. CRM style, text. Interested in professional IT managed services. Cyber security protection. Find details on how many machines and employees they have. Okay, log that activity. Boom, it'll go into BizRaz. It'll go back to your sales dashboard. Change that nav link. We'll go into your sales dashboard, log your activity. You always go back and check it. Tasks, sales tasks, those are different than your standard tasks. And it has the AI there as well, which we're going to make a sales expert around the horn. And you can also come in here and it's the much needed messaging feature. What up, man? Gotta have it within any operation, gotta be able to communicate within the organization. And when you come here, and people will also be able to see this, but if you go to the company profile, I'll be having a section in here. I'll probably take out following maybe, or followers, not sure, or just add another tab, but for YouTube videos, because we're gonna need these live Twitch videos to become YouTube videos to be able to train our AI with. We're gonna train our AI with the YouTube videos that we make from the recorded live stream. So at the end of all of this, what is it really gonna do? It saves us time and money to do what? So you just make a live stream of what you do, show people what you do on live, spin it up, just do it live, record it, take it, post it, optimize it to all your socials, train your AI on it. All right? So welcome to BizRise. We're going to start doing this tomorrow morning. I'm going to get the socials set up, do the videos, we'll get this web app up and rolling, and we'll teach people how to do it. The AI should be trained a little bit more in what BizRise is. And I'm going to put some YouTube videos in there because, it's important to see all this. Or maybe we just do it. Maybe we just do it live. I wonder if I could. I probably could. You know what I could do? I wonder if I could screen record while streaming, save that, and pump it up into AI. Pretty sure I can't. My phone's dying. All right, so first thing we're going to do tomorrow is welcome to BizRise. I am planning on doing it remotely in the back of my truck. So it's going to be an early morning stunt. We're going to put a sign out. It's going to be neon green. We're going to do a test. Do people see it more from the green big old sign I have, or does BizRise.io get more exposure from a Twitch live stream? We shall see. But it's gonna get interesting. Rock and roll. Hang tight. We're gonna send it. We're gonna shoot the moon because I've been working on a web app and starting a business for a long time, and it's taken a toll on just about everything. But I think we're at the point where we can go sell it pretty hard. So we're gonna make a run for the money. See what we got. Not giving up. But I'm gonna do some work on this tonight. Get everything set up. We'll have some tutorials in there in the morning, and we'll just start ripping Twitch live streams mañana. So join me. And I'm so pumped I got that live on a stream. I'm going to figure out exactly. Actually, I have no idea. I'm going to figure that out. How this chatbot knew it was a BizRise.io chat agent. Because it's living in BizRise.io, the web app, but I don't think I've told it anything about BizRise.io. But maybe it can. You're supposed to tell it if you wanted to index it. I don't know. But that is really cool that that happened live. And also the second time that I've been doing videos and the AI took off on its own, which was really cool. The first time was graphene and hoverboards, which once business gets rolling a little bit, going back to that project, we all need hoverboards. Let's just start right there. So Twitch, that's our mission. Twitch, your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to tip me on PayPal, and we're going to build hoverboard somehow with AI. We'll do this together. Hit that tip jar, tip your AI guy. I'll pump all the info into AI. We'll spin some models up and we'll see what we can do. This thing takes off. But you gotta charge the phone. Live stream's working. We'll rock and roll and teach everybody how to do this. And keep going on the AI. Have a good night. And thanks for whoever came out and saw me. Thanks for hanging out, one viewer.